Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about beetroot. This bright red vegetable has been a part of our meals for centuries. Its story begins in the Mediterranean region, where its wild ancestor, the sea beet, grew along the coast. Over time, humans started to cultivate it, and that's how we got the beetroot we know today. Beetroot is famous worldwide for its earthy flavor and its versatility in various dishes. From a simple plant growing by the sea to a popular vegetable today, the journey of the beetroot is truly inspiring. The history of beetroot as food is very old. There's evidence that the Babylonians were already growing beets in the 4th century BC, mainly for their medicinal properties. The ancient Romans also loved beetroot and used it both as food and medicine. They believed that beetroot had qualities that increased desire and that it could cure many diseases. During the Middle Ages, beetroot also became popular in Europe, where it was used to make wine and as a natural dye. Little by little, it became an important food source, and by the 19th century, it had become a staple ingredient in many European cuisines. Today, beetroot is enjoyed all over the world for its unique flavor and nutritional value. Beetroot is not only delicious, but also very nutritious. It contains important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 100 grams of beetroot contains about 43 calories, which makes it a low-calorie food. It also has a good amount of carbohydrates, about 10 grams per serving, which are mainly natural sugars. Beetroot is also a good source of fiber, with about 2.8 grams per 100 grams. Fiber is very important for our digestive system and helps maintain blood sugar levels. Additionally, beetroot is very low in fat and cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy food. Beetroot is a great source of essential vitamins, which are crucial for our overall health. It is particularly rich in folate, or vitamin B9, which is essential for cell growth and development, especially during pregnancy. Folate also plays an important role in DNA synthesis and red blood cell production. Beetroot is also a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen production, wound healing, and immune function. Beetroot also contains other vitamins like vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting, and small amounts of vitamins A, B6, and E. Section 5. Minerals in beetroot. Digging into the essential elements. Friends, in addition to vitamins, beetroot is also a good source of essential minerals that are crucial for our body. Potassium, which is an electrolyte that regulates fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve impulses, is found in good amounts in beetroot. Maintaining potassium levels is very important for heart health and for controlling blood pressure. Beetroot is also a good source of iron, a mineral that carries oxygen throughout our body. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and anemia. Beetroot also contains other minerals such as magnesium, manganese, copper, and zinc, all of which are essential for our overall health. Section 6. The Crimson Elixir. Beetroot juice and its benefits. Beetroot juice, visually appealing and delicious, is becoming very popular these days due to its health benefits. It is made by crushing raw beetroot, sometimes mixed with other fruits or vegetables to enhance its flavor. Beetroot juice is rich in nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in our body. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, which means it relaxes blood vessels and widens them, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Several studies have shown that drinking beetroot juice reduces both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, which can be very beneficial for patients with hypertension. Section 7. Beetroot in the kitchen, from salads to smoothies. Beetroot is a versatile ingredient that can transform any dish with its vibrant color and unique flavor. Beetroot's earthy flavor and beautiful red color make it a very versatile ingredient in the kitchen. It can be used in many ways, adding a new touch to every dish. It can be eaten raw, cooked, pickled, or juiced, and adds flavor and nutrition to any dish. Beetroot juice is not only refreshing, but also packed with health-boosting nutrients. The easiest way to eat beetroot is to grate it and add it to salads, which gives them a sweet and earthy touch. This method is not only easy, but also adds a new dimension to the salad. Roasted beetroot is also very popular, as it enhances its natural sweetness and makes it more tender. Roasting brings out the deep, caramelized flavors of beetroot, making it a delicious addition to any meal. It can be served as a side dish, added to grain bowls, or even as a topping for pizzas and salads. Beetroot adds a pop of color and a burst of flavor to these dishes. Beetroot can also be pickled, which adds a tangy and crunchy flavor to sandwiches and salads. Pickled beetroot is a fantastic way to preserve its goodness and enjoy it year-round. Section 8. Beetroot and Health. A deep dive into its benefits. Today, we will explore the numerous advantages of incorporating beetroot into your daily diet and how it can significantly improve your overall well-being. In addition to its nutritional profile, beetroot offers numerous other health benefits, making it an essential part of any healthy diet. It's not just delicious, but also provides the body with many essential nutrients. It is very rich in antioxidants, especially beta-alanes, a pigment that gives beetroot its beautiful color, which protects cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants also protect the body from free radicals, which cause aging and many chronic diseases. Beetroot has the ability to reduce blood pressure, improve blood flow, and increase athletic performance due to its nitrate content. This is very beneficial for heart health. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in our body, which relaxes blood vessels, improving blood circulation and oxygen transport to muscles. This process not only benefits cardiovascular health, but also boosts overall energy levels. Some studies have shown that drinking beetroot juice increases exercise endurance and reduces muscle soreness. This can be very beneficial for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who want to improve their performance. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the goodness of beetroot. From its ancient origins to modern times, beetroot has earned its place as a powerhouse of nutrients and a delicious vegetable. For centuries, this vegetable has been known not only for its flavor, but also for its medicinal properties. Its rich history, beautiful color, and earthy make it a great part of any meal. Its vibrant hues and unique taste can enhance any dish. Whether raw, cooked, pickled, or in any other form, every form of beetroot is special in its own way. Whether as a juice, beetroot provides us with many health benefits, such as improving heart health, regulating blood pressure, and improving athletic performance. It also helps to increase stamina and muscle recovery. Including beetroot in your diet is a simple yet effective way to lead a healthy and energetic life. It brings variety and nutrition to your meals. It can be used in many ways in the kitchen, like in salads, soups, smoothies, and even desserts. And because of its impressive nutritional profile, it is essential for any diet, regardless of age or background. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So, next time you want to eat something nutritious and delicious, definitely try beetroot. It will not only please your taste buds, but also your body.